Maxi short video. Ngayong araw na to, araw ng Sabado, April 28. Sabado. Ang ating oras ay alas 10:45 ng umaga. So ito po ay ang aking branch na binubuo ng almusal at tanghalian. Breakfast and lunch branch. Okay? Breakfast and lunch branch. So I have here with me the salad. It is composed of cucumber, salted eggs, itlog na maalat in Tagalog. Then we have here dilis. It's a kind of fish, salted fish also, with tomato. Okay? Or kamatis sa Tagalog. Meron din kamyas. Ayan. Then meron ding sibuyas. Sibuyas or what we call onions in English. Find it hard to get the onions, guys. Using my left hand. Where's the onion? Oh, here is the onion. Onions. I put some salt and vinegar. And also, hindi mawawala ang sili. Kasi mahilig po ako sa sili. I like spicy foods a lot. I have here my rice. Then fish na alumahan with sabaw or soup. With kangkong. At saka, hindi mawawala ang aking panghimagas na mango. Okay? Mango. So, mapapalaban na naman tayo ngayon, guys, ng kain. Dahil ako lang mag-isa, kaya, sige, poodle fights si ako. Kaso nga lang, ang aking kanin, guys, ay bahaw. Kagabi pa po yan, guys. Okay? So, that's it. Thank you mga ka-Flexi sa inyong suporta. Sana panoorin nyo mula umpisa hanggang dulo. Kainan na po, guys. This one is my favorite. Yum, yum, yum. Shout out to Ma'am Paula. Ma'am Paula, shouty. And thank you and love you. Also to Ma'am Sadi. Thank you so much, Mom, for all the blessings, for supporting my channel. Also to Brother John. Thank you so much, Brother John. Also, I wanna give thanks to Idol Matancero, Ma'am Ibe, Sis Marie Diesta, and all the people who supports my channel. So until here, bye-bye and God bless. Gamsahamnida. Daghang salamat sa Bisaya.